You can now stick with the best payday lending firms. If you are having a difficult time with your income and you are probably running low on your credit score, the best option to consider is the payday loans. The payday loans are offering a fixed interest rate and a loan of as much as $1,000. This means that you could easily have an additional $1,000 on your bank account with a fixed interest that could be settled on the next paycheck. Some may find the payday loan setup as difficult, but if you will come and think of it, this actually works on your favor. You could stick to the payday loans if you know how to pay on the deadline. This is actually the basis of all the short-term loans. You need to realize that it may really be worth it to pay for your loans immediately instead of waiting for months. You need to realize that the best loan depends on the situation. In fact, if you could pay the loan on the next paycheck, why would you not consider this idea? It is a good idea since you can actually stay away from the different types of troubles. You need to make sure that the loans that you have is actually within your budget. You need to evaluate the amount of cash that you have on the next paycheck. You need to make sure that you could still pay for the other responsibilities aside from your loan and interest. You may be interested in having a good amount of cash from the long-term loans. Of course, this could only be possible if you know exactly how to control your finances and if you have a good credit score. You really can't blame the banks from going for the individuals with a good credit rating instead. The economy is not really that stable these days. You have to keep in mind that any difficulty in paying the loan is a risk on the part of the banks. This is the reason why the payday loans are becoming popular more than ever. You can have the best lending option today if you will consider both the long-term and the short-term loans. This will give you the best hand in your finances and investments. You have to keep in mind that the best loans can be challenging in so many situations. You will need to reconsider the expenses that you make month by month as you pay for the loan. Good thing that the payday loans are not giving you this type of trouble. What you can do instead of playing with long-term loans is to invest the money you have borrowed. This way, the high interest incurred by the loan will be scrapped. For banks, since they have the capacity to provide large chunks of cash, they go for the number of requirements. You need to realize that the best option for you is of course dependent on the situation. Please visit www.50paydayloans.com for more information.